Hello guys, welcome back to sabdaz channel. The electrified 2025 Mazda EZ-6 sedan has debuted in China, replacing the long-running internal combustion Mazda 6. This new model, a sibling to the Chinese-market Deepal SL03 from Mazda's joint venture partner Changan, is offered in both all-electric and range-extender plug-in hybrid forms. Despite its similarities to the Deepal SL03, the EZ-6 features unique front and rear designs while maintaining the same overall frame and wheelbase. The Mazda EZ-6 is larger than its predecessor, measuring 4,921 mm in length, 1,890 mm in width, and 1,485 mm in height. Shares the same 2,900 mm wheelbase as its SL03 twin, offering more space than the older Mazda 6. The vehicle's design includes slimmer, rectangular daytime running lights, a lower main headlight beam, full-width taillights, and a retractable spoiler, marking the first use of Mazda's evolved design language. Inside, the EZ-6 boasts several advanced features including a 14.6-inch infotainment system, the largest ever in a Mazda, a digital instrument cluster, touch-sensitive steering wheel controls, and an augmented reality head-up display. It also includes a 14-speaker Sony audio system, 64-color ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon system to control various functions. The interior design is similar to the CX-60 and CX-90, featuring tan-colored accents, unique air vents, chrome details, perforated leather upholstery with a central stripe, and a circular steering wheel horn pad. Mazda has filed to trademark the names Mazda 6e and 6e in Europe, hinting at an all-electric successor to the Mazda 6 for markets outside China. This new model could be based on Mazda's own Sky-Active multi-solution scalable architecture instead of the China-specific platform used for the EZ-6 and Deepal SL03. An all-electric Mazda 6 successor would compete with popular electric vehicles like the Tesla Model 3, Polestar 2, and BYD Seal, as well as premium mid-size electric cars like the BMW i4 and the upcoming Mercedes-Benz CLA EV. Mazda's move towards electrification is evident with their current electric vehicles, the MX-30 EV and the now discontinued China-only CX-30 EV, as the company plans to introduce a range of new electrified models by 2025, including hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrids, and fully electric vehicles.